to give you guys another video. This one is going to be on the additive property of length, segment addition, like we've been working on. So they're going to start off easy like this, where they give you two pieces and they're asking you to find the total. So all you need to do is just add the pieces. 20 plus 18 would equal 38. Once again, add the pieces. 10 and 10 makes 20. On this one, they gave you total one piece, missing one piece here, so you would subtract. Missing the piece, you would subtract 14 minus 8. This one, missing the piece, 19 minus 9, 10. This one, given one part, add to the whole, so that would be 22. This one, you have to draw your own diagram. So say you have C is on segment BD. BC equals 19, so that piece from here to here is 19, and CD is 13.5. So would I want to add or subtract? On this one, I would want to add because I've got this piece plus this piece. So I'm going to do 19 plus 13.5. 19 plus 13.5 should be 32.5. This one right here, I would add. So I would do 19.7 plus 19, that would be 38.7. On this one right here, I would subtract. This one right here, I would draw my diagram. D is in the middle. My endpoints are C and E. CD is 6.8 and DE is 12.4. Would I want to add or subtract? I probably want to add because I've got two parts and I need to make the whole. So I'm going to do 6.8 plus 12.4. That would equal 19.2. Now, this is the one that I was wanting to get to, the algebra one. It's going to help to set up your equation. You know that this part plus this part has to equal a total. So that's what I would do first. I would set up my equation. In fact, let me write this out in text so it's a little easier to see. I would do FG plus GH equals FH. Do you see that? This part plus this part has to equal the whole part. Then I would substitute the segments with the appropriate values of expressions. So from F to G is 3x. From G to H is 4x. And it has to equal altogether 7 from F to H. If I were just working this algebra equation right here, I would say 3x plus 4x is 7x. And it still has to equal 7. I would divide both sides by 7 to solve for x. So x equals 1. But you're not done yet. You only know x is 1. If you put 1 in for your answer, you would get it wrong. You need to find out what FG is. FG is equal to 3x. But we know that x equals 1. So we'll just do 3 times 1, and that'll give us our answer. Let's try this one more time. We'll set up an equation again. We know that QR plus RS equals QS. We know that QR is 3x. We know that RS is 8. And we know that QS is 4x. If I were to solve an equation like this, I would subtract 3x on this side and 3x on this side, leaving only 8 on this side. 4x minus 3x is only x, so x equals 8. But that's not what QR is. QR is equal to 3x. So we would want to do 3 times 8, giving us 24. 24 should be the correct answer. I could do several more of these, but really it's going to come down to you knowing the algebra. Feel free to ask questions. I'll be more than happy to review the algebra with you, but you should be able to get up to at least a 70 pretty quickly. Good luck.